In this video, we're diving into some essential money tips and tricks for traveling during retirement. As you step into this exciting new chapter of life, it's crucial to manage your finances wisely while exploring the world. We'll cover a range of financial strategies tailored specifically for retirees, ensuring you can enjoy your adventures without breaking the bank. From budgeting for trips to finding the best deals on accommodations and transportation, we've got you covered. We understand that retirement is not just about relaxation, it's about making the most of your time and experiences. That's why we'll also discuss how to maximize your retirement income and explore options like travel rewards programs that can stretch your dollars further. Managing your finances effectively while traveling is key to enjoying this phase of life to the fullest. So, whether you're dreaming of a European getaway or a road trip across the country, stay tuned as we share practical tips that will help you travel smart and stress-free. Let's embark on this journey together and make your retirement travel dreams a reality. Budgeting for travel. Creating a realistic travel budget is essential for retirees who want to enjoy their adventures without financial stress. Before you even start planning your trip, setting a budget helps you understand how much you can afford to spend. This way, you can prioritize your travel goals and avoid overspending. Begin by estimating costs for key areas like accommodation, food, and activities. Research different lodging options, from hotels to vacation rentals, and factor in daily meal expenses based on your destination. Don't forget to include costs for activities and excursions, as these can vary widely depending on where you go. To keep your spending in check, consider using budgeting apps like Mint or YNAB. You need a budget. These tools can help you track your expenses in real time, making it easier to stick to your budget while on the road. By planning ahead and monitoring your spending, you can enjoy your travels with peace of mind, knowing you're making the most of your retirement funds. So, let's get started on crafting that perfect travel budget for your next adventure. Finding discounts and deals. Traveling during retirement doesn't have to be expensive, and there are plenty of ways to find discounts and deals that can help stretch your budget. One of the first steps is to sign up for senior discounts offered by airlines and hotels. Many companies provide special rates for retirees, so be sure to inquire about these options when booking your travel. Additionally, websites like Groupon and Travelzoo are fantastic resources for finding special offers on activities, dining, and accommodations. These platforms often feature limited-time deals that can save you a significant amount of money, allowing you to enjoy more experiences during your travels. Another effective strategy is to check for off-peak travel times. Traveling during less busy seasons can lead to lower prices on flights and hotels, as well as fewer crowds at popular attractions. By being flexible with your travel dates, you can take advantage of these savings. With a little research and planning, you can uncover amazing discounts that make your retirement travel dreams more affordable and enjoyable. Happy travels. Using travel rewards programs. Travel rewards programs can be a game changer for retirees looking to maximize their travel experiences. One of the most significant advantages comes from credit cards that offer travel rewards. By using these cards for everyday purchases, you can accumulate points or miles that can be redeemed for flights, hotel stays, and even car rentals. This means that your regular spending can translate into exciting travel opportunities without additional costs. Additionally, joining airline loyalty programs is a smart move for retirees. Many airlines offer free membership, allowing you to earn points every time you fly. These points can quickly add up, leading to free flights or upgrades, making your travel more enjoyable and cost-effective. It's essential to remember that accumulating points doesn't have to be limited to travel-related expenses. By using your travel rewards credit card for groceries, dining, and other everyday purchases, you can boost your points balance significantly. This strategy allows you to enjoy more travel experiences while keeping your budget intact. So, start exploring these rewards programs today and watch how they enhance your retirement adventures. Travel insurance essentials. For retirees, travel insurance is not just an option, it's an essential part of planning any trip. As you embark on your adventures, unexpected costs can arise, whether due to medical emergencies, trip cancellations, or lost luggage. Travel insurance provides a safety net, protecting you from these unforeseen expenses and giving you peace of mind while you travel. When considering travel insurance, it's wise to compare policies from reputable providers like Allianz or World Nomads. Each company offers different coverage options, so take the time to evaluate what best suits your needs. Look for policies that cover medical emergencies, trip interruptions, and other potential risks associated with travel. Additionally, reading reviews from other travelers can provide valuable insights into the reliability and customer service of various insurance providers. Understanding the coverage options available will help you make an informed decision, ensuring you select a policy that meets your specific requirements. By prioritizing travel insurance, you can focus on enjoying your retirement travels, knowing you're protected against the unexpected. Safe travels. Managing currency exchange. When traveling abroad, managing currency exchange effectively can save you a significant amount of money. One of the best tips is to use local ATMs to withdraw cash. These machines often provide better exchange rates compared to currency exchange services, allowing you to get more value for your money. Just be sure to check with your bank about any fees associated with international withdrawals. Another smart strategy is to use travel-friendly credit cards that don't charge foreign transaction fees. These cards can help you avoid extra costs while making purchases abroad, and they often offer competitive exchange rates. Plus, using a credit card can be more secure than carrying large amounts of cash. It's also important to be cautious about exchanging money at airports. While it may seem convenient, airport exchange counters typically charge high fees and offer poor rates. Instead, plan ahead and exchange a small amount of cash before your trip for immediate expenses, then rely on ATMs and credit cards for the rest. By following these tips, you can manage currency exchange like a pro and keep your travel budget intact. Staying safe with finances. Keeping your finances safe while traveling is crucial for retirees who want to enjoy their adventures without worry. One effective way to protect your cash and cards is by using a money belt or hidden pouch. These discreet options allow you to keep your valuables close to your body, reducing the risk of theft or loss. Before you embark on your journey, it's also wise to notify your banks and credit card companies of your travel plans. This simple step can help prevent your cards from being flagged for suspicious activity, ensuring you have uninterrupted access to your funds while abroad. When it comes to managing your finances online, always prioritize using secure Wi-Fi connections. Avoid accessing your bank accounts or making transactions on public Wi-Fi networks, as these can be vulnerable to hackers. Instead, use a virtual private network, VPN, for an added layer of security when connecting to the internet. By following these tips, you can keep your finances safe and focus on enjoying your travels. Remember, a little preparation goes a long way in ensuring a worry-free retirement adventure. In this video, we've covered essential tips for retirees to enjoy a financially savvy travel experience. We started by discussing the importance of creating a realistic travel budget, emphasizing how estimating costs for accommodation, food, and activities can help you stay on track. We also explored ways to find discounts and deals, such as signing up for senior discounts, utilizing websites like Groupon, and traveling during off-peak times to save money. Additionally, we highlighted the significance of travel insurance to protect against unexpected costs, as well as the benefits of using travel rewards programs to maximize your spending. We also shared strategies for managing currency exchange and keeping your finances safe while traveling, including using money belts, notifying banks of your travel plans, and securing your online banking activities. Now that you have these valuable insights, we encourage you to implement these tips on your next adventure. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with fellow travelers. Together, let's make the most of our retirement travels while keeping our finances in check. Happy travels!